Welcome viewers to my channel Tech and Talent. Today I will give you a tricks by changing the APN settings to give you a better internet speed from your mobile network. Now this APN setting will definitely work for those companies of SIM cards like Vodafone, Jio, Airtel, etc. For those who have already started their 5G testing in those areas. So kindly watch the video till the end to apply the settings correctly in your mobile. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So let's start. So first we need to go to the settings, then mobile network. Then as you can see, I have the Vodafone network, so let's go to the Vodafone, and then you will see one option of APN, that is access point name. Click on this APN. So as you can see, for Vodafone I have Vodafone Connect. So if you have any other company same like Jio, you will see that Jio 4G net. For Airtel and for any other company, there will be one by default selected option. So what you need to do, you need to create a new APN. So go to the new APN, or you might have a plus button to create a new APN. So just click on that and go there, and you need to fill up 5 options. So the first one is the name. So the name will be a 5G prime beta. So don't miss any spelling, write it down accurately, that is 5G prime beta. The next one is APN. So APN will be 5G 2020. So again 5G 2020. Check it out, there is no space in between 5G and 2020. So that is the APN. You don't need to do anything for proxy port. Next you need to change the username. So the username will be beta testing 5G. So again there will be no space, beta testing 5G. So no space is there again. So click on OK. Skip the password, server, MMSC, MMS proxy, MMS port. Don't change any of these settings. So next one is APN protocol. So as you can see, nothing is selected. So choose this one, IPv4/IPv6. So choose this option. Next there is APN roaming protocol. Now you may not have this option, but if you have, please choose IPv4 and IPv6. The last option is BRR. Probably you have seen that right now unspecified is already selected. So now you have multiple BRR options. So based on your region, the correct BRR you need to choose. So what you can do, you can choose one by one like LTE, HSPSP. There are multiple options are available. You can choose one by one and you can check the best one for which you are getting the highest speed. And for some mobile you might see that you can choose multiple options. For right now I am using Vivo V19. In this mobile I can only choose one option, but if you have multiple option to choose, then kindly choose all of the options. So right now I have chosen LTE. So that's it guys, no need to change anything. So click on this done button. So it is giving me one alert, kindly click on this confirm button. So it is done. Now next I will click on this 5G prime beta to make this the default APN. So that's it guys. Now I will test the internet speed. To test the speed of your internet now, go to the Google Chrome browser and type www.fastfast.com. Hit enter. Now it will automatically test your internet speed. Now kindly note that the first time initially you will run this, you will not get your full speed. So kindly wait for the speed test to finish, and once it is done, kindly refresh the web page and test again, because the speed you will get after some time, the real speed. So I have refreshed the page, and now you will see the speed is gradually increasing. Earlier I used to get around 3 to 4 mbps, but right now I am getting above 30 mbps, so that is good. So that was the trick, guys. Kindly note that the trick will only work if you belong to a place where your telecom provider has already started testing out the 5G network, like Airtel and Jio. They have already started, Vodafone has started already in multiple places. So if you remain in those places, then this trick will definitely work for you. If you are not belong to these places, then at least I can assure you that you will get a better internet speed than you earlier used to get it. So if this trick really worked for you, kindly write it down in the comments, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that I can create more such videos. Thank you.